to Learnglish. Which one of these sentences is correct? Both of them are correct, but they have completely different meanings. We use should to give advice and suggestions for now and future time, but we use should have when we want to talk about mistakes and things we regret in the past. Look at these examples. Someone says, I'm always tired, and you advise him, you should sleep earlier. I failed the exam. I should have studied more. I have a headache. You should drink more water. I missed the bus. You should have left earlier. I'm late for work again. You should wake up earlier. I forgot to call my mom. Can you make a sentence for this one? Write it down in a comment.